Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video we'll be looking at how to convert your Excel file into a image file, PNG or JPG file inside Python using the Pillow library, and we'll be using a .NET library called as Spire.xls, SPIRAL dot XLS. It does offer a Python wrapper as well. So it's a .NET library for processing Excel spreadsheets. You can read more about it. But in this specific example, I will show you, I have this test file right here. So I will simply convert this XLS file to a PNG file so that you can actually view all your things. So you can zoom in. You can see the all the records is converted into an image file. So if you do need to convert your Excel file into image file, we will be using this library. So first of all, you do need to install some packages for this. So Pillow will be simply PILLOW, Pillow image processing library in Python, and the second one will be SPIR XLS. These are two packages which are required for this is processing Excel files and this is for processing image files. Simply install it by pip command. I have already installed this, so it will hardly take 5 to 10 seconds. So after you do this, just make this app.py file. So first of all, what we need to do, import this package right here, spire.xls. From this, there is a function method called as a workbook. Secondly, we do need to import everything from this package from spirels.common. We need to import everything. So import star. And also we need to import from the Pillow library PIL. We need to import the image module. And then here we need to now actually create a workbook object. For this we will need to initialize workbook instantiated. So workbook, we will instantiate a new instance of it and store it inside this workbook variable. Now the second task is we need to load the Excel file. So now to load the Excel file, the path is present in the same directory. So workbook, this object contains a function called as either you can load this or you can load from a file. So we will use this function load from file, and here you need to pass the address. So this address here test.xls, so it is present in the same directory. Here we are simply passing the path, and after this we need to now get the first worksheet. As you know that in Excel file it can have multiple worksheets as well, but in this file, in this Excel file, only a single worksheet is present, random generator. It contains all these records. So we'll get access to the first worksheet. We will simply say workbook dot worksheets 0. So indexing starts from 0 in programming, so you'll be getting access to the first worksheet and store it inside this sheet variable. So after we get this first worksheet, now the task is very simple. We need to save this worksheet into a image. So now what we will do, we will simply create a variable image stream, and here we'll be using this sheet as we imported this. This is actually this object, sheet object, and it contains this function which is toImage. And here we need to simply say sheet.firstRow, and then here you need to pass the sheet first column, and then sheet last row and the last column. So what this means that here we are passing this function 4 arguments. This is actually giving us the first row, first column, last row, last column. So it is actually telling this line that capture the screenshot of all the columns and all the rows of the Excel file and save this image file in the image stream variable. After we do this, we need to simply convert this stream to an actual PNG file. So for doing this, we need to use the open function in Python and simply say sheet to image dot png. This is the name of the image which will get created. WB is write mode, so you'll be writing binary f, and here you'll be using the write function in Python to actually convert this into an image file. Here you'll be giving this name, image stream. We'll be using this to array function to actually convert this into an image. So now the task is very simple. We do need to open this image with pillow. So we can open this image. We can simply say image.open sheet to image PNG, and then we simply need to show this image programmatically, so it will open this image automatically. And then we need to save this image to save sheet to image converted in PNG. So after we save this, we need to dispose our library. So you can simply say workbook dispose. So it will close all the connections to this library. This completes this. So now if I run this Python script, so what you will see, it will actually contains these two files. If I say python app.py on the left hand side, after some time it will open this image file. You will see programmatically. So all this Excel file that you see, it has been converted to this PNG file right here, if you see that. So we have used the pillow library, and especially most we are using this Spire.xls package to read the content of all this Excel file and actually converted it to a single image file, so that you can read all this data inside your image file. So this was the short little tutorial, guys, about this library inside Python, how you can basically convert your Excel file to image file. Thank you very much for watching this video, and all the source code that I used in this video is given in the description of this video. You can check out, and please hit that like button, subscribe the channel, and I will be seeing you in the next video.